everybody, watching another video. As you guys saw, we got the car all washed and clean, finally. That was actually the first car wash with the new wrap. Shout out to Upscale Detailing for coming through early in the morning. But yeah, super early morning today. We're about to meet up with the homie Kicks and Anthro. I think the third gear pool guys are pulling up. There's this huge caravan going from LA to Orange County, a bunch of supercars, exotics. We didn't feel like going all the way to the first spot, so we're gonna try to meet them on the freeway somehow. But today should be pretty cool. A lot of cruising, a lot of driving. I got the GoPro. Hopefully we can race some exotics today, but it should be a pretty cool vlog. I'm hyped. All right, we made it. I'm in with the homies. Breakfast?
Breakfast.
Damn.
Bro, this shit looks so dumb.
You don't like it?
Bro, it looks stupid.
The homie Anthro's trying to see if he likes the tow hook or not. I think it looks cool. I think it looks cool with the brake calipers.
I just don't like how long it sticks out.
Yeah, a little bit, huh? I think it looks kind of cool though. But yeah, guys, we're about to head to this little cruise. Anthro's right here. The homie Kicks is over there putting 85 on the other side. I love Anthro Supra. It's just so clean, simple. Damn, they're your pool. This is the camera car right here. They're crazy, bro. I'd be scared to leave my camera on the top of a hood. Guys, I'm obsessed with the GTR. Especially how clean it is. Like, it's stupid clean. I'm telling you, every time Upscale washes it, I don't even want to drive it because I don't want to get it dirty. Watch, by the end of the day, guys, the wheels are gonna have hella brake dust. They're gonna be brown, and the whole rear end's gonna be dusty. Watch. I freaking love Nardo Gray, bro. If he didn't do it, I would have done it. Like, that was my second option, but I can't copy him. Maybe after he gets rid of the Nardo, I'll go Nardo. Oh my god, that shit was loud. I did not expect that. All right, guys, this is the current situation. Pulled over on the side, waiting to see if we see the supercars fly by. Oh, we crossed the Lambos. Damn. This is literally my favorite Huracan build. It looks crazy. That body kit. That's my dream car right there. Damn, bro, that shit is beautiful. God damn, that shit's sexy. Bro, his Lambo sounds insane. That's it. Bro, these two look so crazy. So freaking sick. Mark just told me he put up the boost. Now he's making 1,300 wheel horsepower. Damn, guys, look at all these cars. Aventadors, McLarens, E30, Huracan Supra, R8. That wrap is crazy. Look at that thing. What do you guys think, R8 or Huracan? Alright, guys, we made it. Holy crap, there's a lot of cars here. We parked over here. Found some nice little lighting. Guys, I can't get over the GTR. It looks so freaking good. Old school Ferrari and a new school Ferrari. Damn. You guys might remember this spot from that last car meet they threw here. Oh my god, bro, there's so many cars. We should have parked down here. This would have been lit. Damn, look at this thing. A pink GTR? Imagine I wrapped it pink, guys. I'm down, bro. Imagine with my wheel setup, that shit will probably look sick. Look at this thing. That shit is clean. Aventador. Goals. What do you guys think about this wrap? That shit's crazy. Would you do this?
Hell
All the Supras. There's so many Supras here. I'm actually trying to get a roll cage for the GTR, guys, from this company right here. Imagine. It's hard. Look at these things, guys. The new M3 and new M4. I don't know. What do you guys think? I actually like this one a lot. Maybe because it's red, but it actually looks really sick. They look good, bro. In person, it's way better, honestly. This one's hard. I like this one a lot. It has little side skirts. I think these come stock, probably. Yeah, that thing is sick, bro. I actually like it a lot. I like the M4 better, though. I don't really like the 4-door. C8. You don't really see modified C8s yet. This one's pretty crazy. Sheesh. Oh my god, that shit's loud. I want one so bad, guys. Look how nice this thing is, dude. So freaking nice. Imagine right next to the R35 would be sick. Yeah, this is where all the sick cars are parked on. E30 M3. Damn, bro, that shit is so clean. I think it was that phone too the other day. White BBS's. And then Mark's Huracan that you guys saw on the freeway. He just wrapped it again. If you guys remember, it was like the Nardo gray color. Now he wrapped it in this pearl white. And this shit looks so sick. I always said this car would look good in any color.
You know what you're saying, bro. Make sure you're saying the right
Are you giving
thing.
this one away next?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it away. You wanna win?
For real?
You wanna drive it?
Yeah, guys, this car would look good in any color. That's the homie Mark, though. Super cool dude, and he has the sickest cars. Same with the 2JZ Mark 5 Supra that you saw yesterday in the other vlog. He said he retuned it. Now it makes 1,300 wheel horsepower. And I don't know if you guys saw those flames, but those pops were crazy. All black, looking like Batman, bro. With BBS wheels. BBS LMRs, I think. Same wheels that Amza has on the Liberty Walk M3. That's literally the perfect freaking Aventador right there. I want one so bad. Full on track BMWs. Oh my god, bro, it's fully gutted. And like a brand new M2. And an M4. Reminds me of my E46, my drift car. Imagine a drift M4, guys. That thing would be crazy. I still need to get this trunk, guys. I need to put some money into the E46 and get this trunk. It looks so sick. Guys, we out. About to go on another little cruise. Sam was over here doing burnouts in traffic right now, but I missed it. God, that Porsche is so loud. Sam has the E30 out too. I want to see Sam race some of these supercars in this little E30. Bro, this Porsche sounds insane. Oh my god. Sam's trying to race Mark's car. Well, the 720 to the 1,000 horsepower. Alright guys, we just grabbed some food. Oh my god. Alright guys, we just grabbed some food, now we're out. And gonna cruise back home, I think. Oh, I hear a bunch of gunshots. Oh shit. I think that's the Lambo. God damn, bro. Making all those gunshots. I don't understand how Sam's car is keeping up with that. Alright guys, quick little gas station fill up. Damn bro, look at this thing. 2 Supras over here. This one's insane, bro. That's how you know he's not playing.
Damn.
Driving around with a parachute on the street. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, this dude definitely races, bro. This thing's so clean too. Oh, I want a Supra so bad, guys. I've been seeing so many lately. Those things are so sick. I can't believe he's driving around with a parachute on like that. That's sketch. Bro, that shit looks so crazy on the street with the parachute.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.